Managing team workloads and tasks can be overwhelming, but SuiteDash makes it a lot easier. In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use SuiteDash to streamline your team management, boost productivity, and keep everything running smoothly. The first thing you'll notice when using SuiteDash is how user-friendly the dashboard is. You've got all your tools in one place, which means less time jumping between tabs and more time focused on actual work. You can see upcoming tasks, deadlines, and project updates all in one view. Next thing, let's talk about managing workloads. With SuiteDash, you can assign tasks to specific team members, set deadlines, and track progress. This keeps everyone accountable and ensures that no task gets lost in the shuffle. You can also create custom workflows for different teams, so everyone knows exactly what's expected of them. The third thing worth mentioning is the collaboration features. SuiteDash allows you to have direct communication within tasks, share files, and provide feedback in real time. This is a great way to reduce the need for endless email chains and keep everything in one place. You can even integrate tools like Google Drive or Dropbox to make file sharing even easier. Another key feature is the time tracking tool. If you need to see how much time your team is spending on tasks, or if you're billing clients by the hour, this tool will save you a lot of headaches. You can track billable and non-billable hours, generate reports, and stay on top of your project timelines. But there's a downside to SuiteDash. It's not the most intuitive for beginners. The learning curve can be steep, especially if you're not already familiar with project management software. Some users also report that it can feel a bit clunky at times, especially if you're handling a lot of projects at once. Now, let's talk about the alternatives. While SuiteDash is a solid option, it's not the only game in town. There are other platforms out there that might suit your needs better, especially if you're looking for something with a simpler interface or more customizable features. We'll touch on those in a moment. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. SuiteDash does offer a lot of value, but it's on the pricier side compared to other project management tools. It might not be the best fit for smaller teams or startups that are just getting off the ground. Now, before we wrap up, I want to let you in on a little secret. If you're looking for a software that truly excels at managing team workloads and tasks, we've got a special offer for you. Through our link, you'll get access to SuiteDash's exclusive extended free trial. But that's not all. We've also added some incredible alternatives that might work even better for your specific needs, and they come with free trials as well. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for a tool that can help you manage your team more efficiently, check out the link in the description for the best offers available.